great, mate.
Who the hell's LBA?
Alley A is a Call of Duty or
He's
annoying.
What?
Very loud.
I'm going to bring this.
Out of the morning, do you
Go ahead.
lads?
And my helmet.
How much
And my
power
helmet
does
for
that
safety,
Yeah.
so if I fall
make?
down
How much memory does
on
it?
my head,
Enough?
then it will-
Hello, guys.
How do you know it has enough?
Because there's a memory card in it. He's questioning me. We decided to make some geocaches, so now we're going to go find them. Stay tuned.
I'll tell you that much. Well, we're getting rolling.
I turned my camera on at a good time. Here we go. In the rain. To geocache. You have to go on the other side. That's where Caleb's seat's at.
Quit hitting the
So
door.
you expect me or Zach to sit in the middle?
You have to unhook the seatbelt. All they're going to see on this video is a bunch of bitching at each other.
Well, I'm saying it ain't going nowhere.
We got him.
Wait, turn it back on. I'm looking at Caleb. Turn it on.
He's like, he's good.
Hi, buddy. You know where you're hiding yours?
It is.
Who's the closest?
Mom, is
Zach,
that
you know
your
where you're going?
picture?
I don't know where I'm going, so why don't
That
I just go
your
to
camera?
Shayla's first?
Yeah, that's my camera, baby.
Do it takes pictures?
Okay, we've decided
Where's who going?
to look for geocaches while hiding geocaches. Say
Child
hey.
safety. Are you kidding me?
Are you tired?
Is yours child safety?
It's only 9 o'clock. Caleb, try to stay out of the mud as much as possible, okay? I about knocked you down.
And then you have to give me a bath.
I know. Alright, be very careful, buddy. Is there a clue?
If you'd listen,
Okay, I'm listening.
What's Ruth's last name, Dad?
it's not near any grave markers, so please be respectful in the search. This is a neat place to check out before entrance to the cemetery. Trucks, trains, do not run this road quickly. Be careful backing into the road. Wow. The original locator of this hide is some wild honeybees. They have been here a couple years now and were very active. From an abandoned coal mine system. Just travel this road. So it's over that way.
Over what way?
I'm gonna punt your kid.
It's over what way?
We're teams here. They got theirs, we got ours.
Come on, Caleb. Baby, you want to hold my hand?
Got it on?
Yeah, I've had it on.
Okay.
It's definitely that tree. I'm using navigation to show me right where to go.
That's where I'm on.
There's a-
Navigation.
There's...
And it says it didn't have anything to do with the marker, so.
Oh.
It's gotta be in this tree.
Hi, Caleb.
Hi.
Touch it. That's very possible.
I hope we get to go back home after this.
We
Is that a worm?
It is a worm.
What?
Worm. Look, there's another one right there too. There's all kind of worms.
Oh, Dad, look at all the worms!
Holy cow! Look at all these things.
Holy cow!
There's all kind of worms. There's one fall off the tree. What, baby?
I feel like I need some to go fishing. Yeah.
Yeah.
And I can't get that when it's stuck. I see Jacob.
Yep, there's Jacob.
I saw her. I'm holding the white light. Yeah, you see it? I see it. Look at her.
What?
We can use the worms to fish. Her.
Now, where would I hide that?
Let's use the worms to use fishing. I hope. Her. Be form, we can use them to go fishing.
Well, I bet this was the one that was
All the
at the gazebo because it was a shiny bison too, and it was micro.
Mom,
It's the one that we never found at the gazebo. What?
I got back the thing that came all you. That thing.
You found it?
All that.
Oh!
Where was it? On the back
Hang
side?
on back here, Ben.
Oh.
What was that? Did anybody bring a pen? Oh.
Why do you look at me?
Because you're the female.
You're the female. Oh,
Holy cow, it's raining. Rain, go away.
Hold the phone up so I can see your face. Uh-oh. Here, let me see it.
Most of it is in the day anyways. Wait, 6.5 creed more to come across the series.
Oh my goodness, your money
I feel like you're not a very good YouTube videos.
Well, I'm sorry, you know, I'm trying to get y'all in angle and camera. Oh, a lot of people's found it.
Dirty Harry and the boys. That's what it says. It's Dirty Harry. Dirty Mike and the boys is what we should do. That is a little sign on ours with all from now on. Dirty Mike and the boys.
Okay. We're like,
When's the first
I
time?
think we had to do our taxes over here. Then we
Maybe
can go back home.
17.
Because we have to keep the white one because
What?
it's
So
dark.
now we know what we're looking for when it comes to a bison tooth.
Tiny little things that can, it can't,
That was
Now we need to go
in this
Remember
world
our bike.
What's that?
Can I
now
get
we
in the
need to go
bike?
back to the gazebo and see if we can find it.
Wait,
It's not there anymore. It's not even on the map.
where?
Caleb, stay here. You're going to stay with us. Stay out of the mud. Don't run.
We need to find some of these.
I've looked them up before. They're not that much.
We still have that. Oh, we ain't ghost hunting. That was just hanging.
See, I was looking on the tree because didn't we find one in TNT that was hanging on the tree?
Yeah, it's inside a bat in the mouth.
Oh yeah, that's it. Okay, guys, we found it. We found it. We're moving. Okay. All right. So, oh hush. Okay, so we're hiding Terry's geocache now. I don't think I can get my. How am I supposed to document this?
Right from right there. We're just going right up here.
Okay, Caleb, we gotta stay down here, baby.
Why?
Because they're going up high. We're not climbing up there. Okay, so it's dark and we can't see, obviously. Sorry, that sucks. But Terry is hiding his geocache right this minute. Caleb, stay right here. The water's high. We've lost sight of Terry and Jacob, but they are up there, I promise. Here comes Zach. And there's Caleb. What do you say, Caleb? What do you say?
Be careful.
There, you can see their lights now. This isn't it? You're smart. Somebody's past their bedtime and has school in the morning.
Zach.
Did you say Zach was tulip people?
No.
Oh, here he comes.
Looks cool down there by the water.
Careful. You made it. Did you get it?
Yeah. It's there. Underneath that bucket there.
Yeah. All right, Caleb, come on. You stay up here with me. All right, guys, we got it. One to the next.
Huh?
I haven't walked down this hill in years. I remember I used to be on a brook about the top of it.
It's probably gonna be even worse now then. Huh? What about down there, Zach? There's the hole. Will it slide in that? Oh no, somebody will find that. It'll be gone.
Who's back? I don't know. It's up here. Let's play some b-ball.
If you leave it here, it's gonna get stolen.
Well, no, if you put it to where normal people ain't gonna see it. You'd actually have to look for it.
We got the whole park to use. Just don't put it on the ground.
Yeah, let's go down in the park, Zach. Same size, Zach. Oh, my feet.
I know a place.
Just so it don't get all the way up. What about up in the top of the canopy?
Yeah.
I will set it back in there in this hole, but there's nothing to set it on back in there.
No. Huh? Fell? Freaking water holes. Ah, ah. Yeah, very cold. All right. Right.
Oh, my feet.
You sit back in the corners.
Cool, wobbler.
I'm back here.
Yeah, but kids climb up in those all the time.
What about in one of the trees over here at the park? Like up this way to where the water won't get it. Huh? One of these trees. I don't think so. Look at these old posts. A lot of them's got holes down in them. Like this. Right here. Look. See down on that? I mean, you can find a different one if you want. Like right here. Where it ain't, you can't see it as good. Oh yeah, this is a good one. Which is just gone. Yeah, you can take it. Yeah.
What happened?
It's not, I think slide something in there and pop it up.
What happened?
Put it right down in there.
How far did it go down?
I get just right there. Get the coordinates. Got to take a picture of it, Zach.
You got to?
Yeah, just so you can remember it.
Can't freaking press the button. Press.
Hold on, come on. Get up at the flagger.
Eddie wins the race. Does it?